Hey everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to solve the mailbox full problem in Outlook in 2026. Now this is a common issue when you exceed your server's storage limit, and we will be covering the quickest ways to clear out the space and prevent the problem from recurring. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer, or you can also open it in your web browser. Over here in the left hand section, you need to basically look for the pane where you are going to see all of the folders listed. You just have to start clicking on each and every folders one by one. You can click on the option of the junk email. From here you can delete all of the emails which are available. You can also click on the deleted items folder, and you need to empty it too. So you need to keep on repeating this until you emptied all of the unnecessary emails from these two folders. Now let's use the cleanup tool. For that, you need to look at the top right hand corner of the screen. You will see this gear icon here on the top. In the settings window, you need to select the option of general. Over here in the general, look for the option of storage. Now in the storage, you just have to simply look for the option that says the inbox or the items. So when you are able to find them, simply filter it out with the help of the storage. If you are able to find any of the basically unnecessary details or the data about it, you just have to clear it. You can also delete the data and you can turn it off as well. So with the help of this method, you will be able to basically reduce the mailbox full problem. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.